Hey guys, this is Corey with Funtown RV of Amarillo, and today we're going to do a RV walk around on the 2024 KZ Durango Model 301 RLT. All the specifications for this fifth wheel will be down in the video description, as well as a link for the current pricing on these, so you can check those at any time. Now, this is a great mid-sized fifth wheel with tons of seating, tons of storage. I think you're really gonna like this. We're gonna show you the inside, show you the outside, and all the great features and amenities that this has to offer. And without further ado, let's get started. And this is the view you're greeted with as you step inside the Durango 301 RLT. So one of the things that's really nice is you have all these big, beautiful frameless windows. All of these are going to open for airflow, with the exception of this little bitty one right here. So I really do like that. You get to see the views from your campsite, not your neighbors. Good lighting package in here. It's nice, open, bright. I think a lot of people are really going to like the way these look. And they're using the brown cabinets, but it's not so dark and depressing. It's really modern and almost westerny is how I kind of like to phrase this. So over here, you are going to have your 2+2 dining arrangement. So you have a bench seat that could double as an ottoman, plus a couple of chairs over here. Now, the cool thing about this is it is screwed directly into the wall. So you're not going to be inclined to bump your knees on anything there. You have some lighting controls. So this is actually for the awning, these two controls. Plus you got some handy USB ports and this little shelf where you can set your phone if you do want to. All of your windows are going to have the pull down MCD brand roller blinds, which is very nice. You see that in a lot of motorhomes, which is really cool and something a lot of people really do like. Now, right here's going to be your theater seats. Now, what's nice about these is they are power open and close, heat and massage, and they have the lights. And what's cool about the Durango is they have a 440 watt solar package with a full house inverter. So these will work off of the solar package as well as all the plugs in here, not just certain ones. So that is a really cool feature to have. Not a lot of other brands are doing this. So again, power reclining theater seats. You do have the cup holders with some little storage for your remotes there. Now back here, you do have the super wide couch. This will turn out into a bed if you do need it to, which is always a good thing for a couple of guests. Now, you do have some small nightstands on each side. And you do have household outlets right there. And same thing over here. So if you need to plug in your phone or something, you can easily do that. If we take a seat at the theater seats, you are directly across from the entertainment center, pardon me. So that does have a smart TV with your 5200 BTU electric space heater fireplace down below. And then you do have the full-on sound bar as well, which is really nice. A lot of brands are not doing the sound bars anymore. 15K AC. You do have the ducts that can be turned and closed, which is really nice, as you can see there. And they have dual AC runs, which is really going to help keep you cool. These are tested, proven, and rated from -10 all the way up to 110. So not just 0, they went the extra mile. And the designer for these actually lives in Arizona, so he really gets to see how well they're going to do in the hot temperatures, which is pretty cool. Nice big kitchen. Of course, you have your ceiling fan up top. Max air vent fan over here. And then right inside the door, One, you've got your thermostat right here, but this is going to be your touch panel. So this will turn on all your lights, run your slide outs, your awning, all that good stuff, which is really cool. Plus you can Bluetooth this to your phone if you do want to. You don't have to, but you can if you want. All right, guys, let's go ahead now. We'll open up all this storage, take a look at the kitchen, because this has a very well thought out and appointed kitchen area. All right, so getting started here, you do have some great storage. This is all solid wood cabinets, which is really nice. Now, it does have a sticker wrap on it, but it is a super high quality pocket screwed and glued cabinetry. So great amount of storage up there. One of the things I forgot to mention is Durango is using the in-floor ducted heating. So it's way more efficient than the cabinet ducted heating systems. But I know some people don't really prefer the heat ducts in the floor. Good storage above the TV. That is nice and deep. That goes all the way past my elbow. And then coming over here into the kitchen proper, solid surface countertops. You have an outlet here and an outlet there. And I love that they put the stove in the center and made this a symmetrical kitchen here. That way you have plenty of room for utensils, your pot handles, things like that. Little window right there. Good storage here. Same thing on the other side. No storage up top, but you do have a 30-inch convection oven microwave, which is pretty dang sweet. Now you do have the 4-burner stovetop with the giant oven down below. These guys were actually the first ones in the industry to use that oven. So you can thank Durango and KZ for bringing the 4-burner stoves to market. More excellent storage here. And you have the same thing on this side. Now, as we take a look at our island, one of the things that I really do like is this is a non-symmetrical island. So what I mean by that is the sink is mounted to one side. Now you do have a couple of bar stools here. Again, solid surface countertops. Nice one basin farm style sink with the matching solid surface countertop covers. You do have the high-rise pull-down sprayer faucet. Electrical outlet right here, plus 3 drawers. You can see that tire pressure monitoring system. And then you are going to have plenty of wastebasket space right there below the sink. Now over here, this is our 20 cubic foot residential refrigerator. So this is not a 12 volt, it is the full residential. And it does have the ice maker tray. That still is taped up, so I won't necessarily open that. But that is a really neat feature to have since they are doing so much with their solar. They don't have to worry about having the inverter because it already is there. Nice, big, deep pantry. Shelves go all the way down to the floor. And it goes all the way up to the roof with a motion sensor light. And little things here like this chain, so your handle doesn't gouge your refrigerator. That is super nice. And then this is actually a GE residential refrigerator too. Good storage up here with the shelf. Like the little bit of definition here with the glass panels there. More solid surface countertops. You do have your solar battery readout here with another outlet, and then some good storage down here. This panel is actually where your converter and breakers and fuses are. All right, so now let's go ahead and we'll jump upstairs and take a look at the bedroom and bathroom. All right, so stepping into the master bathroom. First things first, you have a porcelain foot flush lever toilet with some towel hooks right here, which are pretty neat. Now, if we take a seat at the porcelain foot flush lever throne, you can see they did an excellent job as far as width here to the door. And if we flip this around, you can see they have excellent legroom. Nice big storage there as well. Press membrane countertops, stainless steel sink with the high-rise swivelable, if that's not a word, I just made it a word, we'll roll with it. Faucet, you got your light switch, your tankless on-demand water heater controls, medicine cabinet, towel hook right there, and then you have a pretty good amount of linen cabinet space right there as well. All right, so up here you do have the 4-inch fart fan. Wham, wham. Not a huge fan of those, but it could be worse. They could not have put a fan. And then in here you have a one-piece fiberglass shower. Flipping this around, you can see I have plenty of room here, even underneath the, or not under the skylight. I have great room, but this is a really good spot for that. So you could be upwards of 6'5" and still shower in here comfortably. I like the adjustable hardware there, so you can adjust the height of it. Tri-slide glass door, and if you do need to sit to bathe or shave your legs or something, you do have the integrated seat there. AC and heat in the bathroom here as well, and you do have this little porthole window, which is cool to lend in some more light, and you've got a sliding pocket privacy door there as well. Now stepping up into the bedroom, you do have a king-sized bed, which is really nice. You are going to have some storage underneath. Household outlets on both sides of the bed. Right here, there's actually a little cubby hole that they took from the bathroom. Thermostat here with your main overhead lighting controls. Got the little side stands up there. More household outlets. Big old closet. Now this does have a motion sensor light in here. So as you can see, lots of storage there. Right there is where your dryer would go. And then over here is where your washing machine would go. So it is washer dryer prepped. Now, one of the things I really like is they added this extra cabinet here for some things. Dirty clothes hamper. That is a really cool feature you don't seem to find anywhere else. And then you've got 3 drawers here with 2 more here and some good storage right down there. Now, if you do want to add a TV, you can do that. Big window here that does open too, by the way. But you can put a small TV right here. You got all the appropriate hookups, plus the King Wi-Fi prep. Second AC, again, that is a 15K. And even up here, you still have the same closable and turnable vents. So that is really nice to see. I do very much like that. Let's see, is this on a magnet? It is not. Okay. But all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the interior of the 2024 KZ Durango 301RLT. Let's go ahead now. We'll go to the outside, take a look at some features there, and let me know what you think. All right, guys, so we're on the outside of the Durango 301RLT. Starting up front, you have a painted fiberglass front cap. Looks super sharp. Traditional RV pin box. Up here, you are prepped and ready for a 5,500 watt Awning generator if you did want to add one. Coming around over to this side, you have your battery disconnect, solar charge controller, a little bit of storage. Not sure what you would put up there. Maybe just some super light things. And then you have 2 batteries, which is really nice. Slam latches on those. Big old drop frame storage. Well, I shouldn't say drop frame just because it doesn't have the full drop frame, but big old storage. You do have a JBL speaker system out here, which is pretty cool. There's your inverter with some extra storage up there. So big, again, big storage, motion sensor light, and this compartment is heated by the furnace, which is pretty dang neat. You do have the magnetic holdbacks, slam latches. Nice big power awning with integrated LED lights. I just don't ever turn those on because you can't really see them in the daytime. Frameless windows. You have the 4-step MORryde step above steps with the safety rail. Goodyear Endurance tires. So those are the 16-inch variety. And let's see if we've got... Interesting. Of course, you can see your suspension there. Again, frameless windows. You do have your second power awning with integrated LED light strips right there. Now back on the back, this is really neat. You have this little pull-out tray for like your power cord or whatever else you want to put there. Ladder to get up on top of the fully walkable roof. You are prepped and ready for the backup camera. Again, 440 watts of solar panels up on that roof. All LED tail and marker lights. You are prepped and ready for slide out toppers. This does have, again, the 4-point auto level. So that is really nice. Right here is going to be your black and gray tank dumps. Dump valves with your low point drains and your sewer termination right there. Here's where you plug in your shore cord. So that's 50 amp service, 60,000 BTU on-demand water heater. And then here's your docking station with your outside shower, black tank flush, all that good stuff right here in the pass-through storage. Again, there's a good look at that storage from this side. Love the fact that this is on struts. This will be where your 2 propane cans are, and then you've got your automatic level controls right there. So, all right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the 2024 KZ Durango 301RLT. If you're interested in this big, beautiful fifth wheel and you'd like pricing and availability, again, that link will be down in the video description, as well as all of the specifications for this fifth wheel. Remember, at Funtown RV, we have the best products, best selection, and the best prices around, and we do that with no hidden dealer fees. So again, my name is Cory Gabel with Funtown RV of Amarillo. We hope to see you out here very soon, and we'll see you on the next one.